Hello everyone and welcome to another spelling test review video with Teacher John. Today we are reviewing the words for spelling in week 10. I think I finally have the correct week. Okay, so anyway, let's look at this week's words. The first word is grasp. Grasp. Now, there's two things we need to focus on here. The GR sound and the SP at the end. Okay, this is a great word for practicing our pronunciation. So first thing I want to look at is the R. Some of my students are pronouncing their R's like L's. And you'll see that the tongue position is very different. The tip of your tongue, an L, is raised up and at the top of your mouth. Now for an R, your tongue is going back and it's making like a turtle shell shape. So I've got a weird looking mouth over here, and since we want to make a turtle shell, I'll draw it green. So imagine we have a green turtle tongue. Here we go. Here's the head. Give him some eyes. Yep. And he's scared. He's scared of pronouncing the letter R. So what does a turtle do when it's scared? It goes back into its shell. So it's going to go this way, but this part is not going to move. Just focus on getting the head of the turtle in the shell. Okay? So let me get rid of this. Draw our arrow. So the turtle wants to go in its shell. And what you end up with when the turtle gets the head back in its shell, your tongue will make a shell like this. And the shape will be something like this. R. 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 It's different from the L. L. The tongue is at the tip. I'm sorry, the tip of your tongue is in the front. Okay? So now that we're making our turtle go back for the R, our tongue is in the right spot. Let's look at this word. Grasp. Grasp. Also, so I'll type it right here. Grasp. So for the G, we're going to say it just like the Thai, the Thai letter, pardon my pronunciation. Oop. Switch this. Okay. Work. Here we go. Wrong one. Okay. Just like gokai, g. Grasp. 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 Okay, and we really want to make sure at the end we're saying sp, sp, sp. Grasp. Grasp. When you grasp something, you are grabbing it. Okay? Grasp. You can hold it. Grasp. Okay? This is a difficult word to say, so I spent a lot of time on it. Okay? Grasp. Alright, next word. Similar. Grape. Grape. So again, same thing. We start with the gokkai sound. Alright, grasp. Grape. So we're going to say wrong language. Grape. 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 Delicious. At the end, be careful not to say grape. Grape. A lot of my students, when they're trying to say the p sound, they're adding an after. It's just grape. Grape. Not grape. Okay? Grape. Next is glad. Glad. So again, let me get rid of these. Not resize. Select. Okay. These two first. Again, sounding with the g. Starting with the g sound. Was it glad? Yes, glad. Glad. G. Glad. Glad. Again, want to make sure you say the D at the end. And don't go galada. Galada. Glad. 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 It means happy. I'm so glad. Next is globe. Globe. Same thing. Globe. 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 Alright, the globe is the Earth. Planet Earth. Or it can just be a sphere, a globe. Okay. Next is please. Everyone should know this. This is a great word in English. Please. It's so polite. Please. P. Your P sound. Let me type it here. Please. Right? P. Please. Please. Make sure you say the S at the end. Please. Please. Okay. Next. Plate. Plate. Alright, so type it again. Plate. We use a plate when we want to eat. Plate. So you have our P sound. P. Plate. Plate. Make sure you say the T at the end. Plate. Right? Next is pray. Pray. So go back to our gross tongue drawing over here, the turtle, and we need to say pray. Pray. See, it's very different from plate. Plate. No, we're pray. We have our turtle tongue, and we're saying the R. Pray. 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 Okay. Next is prawn. Prawn, or in America, we say shrimp. But prawn, it's the same thing. Prawn. Again, this is an R. So we will use our turtle tongue. And prawn. Prawn. Don't forget the N at the end. Prawn. Prawn. Okay. Next is flow. 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 How do you spell flow? F-L-O-W. Flow. Have our F sound. L, la 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 la. Flow. 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 Okay, and our last word, flash. I noticed it's kind of the same in Thai. Flash. Okay, our SH makes a sh sound. Like when you want someone to be quiet, you say shh, be quiet. So again, we'll go back. It's an L. So where is our tongue? It's in the front of our mouth. And we will write flash. How do you spell flash? F. Oh, wrong thing. F-L-A-S-H. Flash. 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 Okay? Make sure you say a sh at the end, not flat. Flat, no. Flash. Imagine you're telling someone to be quiet at the end. Flash, be quiet. Okay? Alright, so that is just a quick little phonics lesson for this week's spelling words. I really wanted to focus on the L and R pronunciation when it comes after the first letter. Okay? Alright, so good luck studying, and I hope everyone does great on their spelling test, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!